Tama ho natin si Vina. Let's go to my
Yes,
question. Last song, tatlong taong iimbitahan mo para makinig. Sino at bakit?
Father Fritz Malinaw. Not my family na, Tito Boy. Si Father Fritz Malinaw, si Mama Mina.
Oh.
And Tito Vic Del Rosario. Kasi that's where I started. Doon ako nag-umpisa. Sila ang nagbigay sa akin ng opportunity na maging nasa showbiz ako. So,
Anong kanta?
thankful ako sa kanila. This is my life.
Okay. Alright. Doon ang galing yung pangalan na Vina. Tama?
Yes, Vina.
Vina.
Vina Vanessa.
Vina.
Sa anak nila ni
That's
Mama
right.
Mina at
Oo.
ni Tito Vic.
Okay. And you were named after Sharon.
No.
No,
Nagkataon si Sheila, Sharon, Cheryl, Shaina.
Okay.
So,
Sharon,
SH kami.
Sharon Magdayaw. Okay. I mean, 8
Sharon
years old.
Magdayaw.
You were discovered in
In the church.
the church.
Yes.
But have you had a chance to work with the megastar, with the one and the only?
Yes.
You had,
Kasi
no?
Viva ako eh.
Correct.
So that's
Oo.
why they had to change my name kasi may Sharon Cuneta na. So same manager kami, si Mama Mina.
Oo.
So they changed my name to Vina, yung sa anak nila, Vina Vanessa. So tinanong ano kayang last name? Muntik ko nang maging kamag-anak si Kuya Germs. Pero Vina Moreno, yung
Right.
ganon, Vina Garcia. Pero napili nila Morales.
Vina, how much of that Sharon Magdayaw is still there?
Buong-buo sa puso ko.
Talaga?
Oo, hindi pa rin nagbabago.
Naalala ko lang si Tita
I
Mina.
know.
But anyway, if your life were to be made into a movie, anong titulo?
Pwedeng This is my life ulit.
Talaga? You go there,
Oo
no?
nga.
You're so connected to the story of your life.
oo. I'm
Sa kwento ng buhay mo, Vina, ano yung pinakamataas, pinaka-highlight, ano yung pinakamababa?
Ang highlight siguro yung sa amin ni Robin. Kasi
Yes.
yun yung peak ng career ko na ang daming pelikula, tapos nag-box office yung movies namin together. Nagkakaroon ako ng mga solo movies that time under Viva. The lowest probably, I would say, wala pa. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Nakaganyan lang siya. Nandiyan lang.
Kung-
Hindi ako nawawala
Right.
ng project. I'm thankful.
Halimbawa,